In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new recipient to a sent DocuSign envelope. To get started, open a DocuSign website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, head to the Manage section. This is where you can view and organize envelopes that are currently in progress, completed, or already sent. From there, select the Send tab. This will show you the envelopes you've already sent out. Take a moment to find the specific envelope you want to update. If you have a long list, it may help to scan carefully so you choose the correct document before making any changes. Once you've found the right envelope, select it to open the envelope details. This gives you access to the actions available for that particular transaction. Look for the correct option and select it. This feature allows you to make changes to a sent envelope without starting over from scratch, which is especially helpful if you forgot to include someone the first time. Now add the new recipient's name and email address in the appropriate fields. Be sure to enter the information accurately, since this determines where the document will be sent. After that, assign the new recipient the required role. The role is important because it defines what that person is expected to do, whether they need to sign, receive information, or take another action in the workflow. Next, add the appropriate signing or information fields for the new recipient. This step is essential because the recipient needs clearly assigned areas to complete. Depending on the document, that could include signature fields, date fields, initials, or other requested information. Make sure the fields are placed correctly, so the recipient can complete their part without confusion. Once that's done, review the updated recipient list and the document fields carefully. This is your chance to confirm that the new recipient has been added properly, has the right role, and has all necessary fields assigned. A quick review here can help prevent delays or errors later. When everything looks correct, select Next or Correct to save your changes. DocuSign will then apply the update to the envelope. After saving, verify that the updated envelope has been sent to the new recipient. This confirmation is important so you know the workflow has continued successfully. Finally, return to the Send section and check the envelope status. This helps you confirm that the update has been processed and lets you monitor the recipient's progress moving forward. Thanks for watching.